Hello, this is Yogita Parmar, and in this video lecture, I will tell you how to frame the answer and how to attempt the biology questions. Okay, so there are some important tips. One by one, we will do. The first one is that always write in points. Very important thing that students usually write in long paragraph, and they have a myth that जितना लंबा आंसर होगा तो मार्क्स बहुत अच्छे मिलेंगे. That is really a very great myth about answer writing. You should write in points. Okay, specific points should be there. Write the points and underline the keywords को underline करना है. ठीक है. The first thing is that avoid writing answers in paragraph. Okay. The second important thing is that focus on the marks. Means if the marks is of that you have to write in the one word, write one word. It is of one liner, write one liner. Unnecessary, don't elaborate the answer. Then very important point is the third one is that whenever you are representing any answer, if possible, if there is any thing that you can explain through line diagram or concept map, do that. ओके, कंसेप्ट मैप और लाइन डायग्राम बनाने से आपका जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन है आंसर का वो बहुत अच्छा लिखता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट्स डू गिव द एग्जांपल्स वेरेवर द एग्जांपल्स आर नेसेसरी. डू गिव द एग्जांपल्स, डायग्राम एंड देयर डेफिनेशन इज मस्ट. ओके, देन मेक डायग्राम वेरेवर रिक्वायर्ड. कोई भी जहां पर भी आपको डायग्राम रिक्वायर्ड है, ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. देन attempt those questions in which you are 100% sure. जो लगता है कि ये बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छे से आता है, उसको पहले attempt करो. Why? Because this will boost your confidence. You will say that अरे मुझे बन रहा है, मुझे आ रहा है, and you will very nicely attempt the other question also. पहले वो questions बिल्कुल नहीं करना है जो नहीं बनते या उसमें थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टी आ रही है, उसको नहीं करना है. ठीक है. And the last one is that in 3 marks and the 5 marks question, do draw the diagrams and example is must. Means आपको diagram जरूर draw करना है और example भी देना है. ठीक है, for 3 marks and the 5 marks questions. Let us take an example that what is asexual reproduction? Explain the process in amoeba. ठीक है. So the first part of the question is what asexual reproduction. Just write the definition first. Okay, write the heading asexual reproduction very fast and in a very clear handwriting. Okay, so that the definition is that new individual arises during cell division from single parent. ठीक है, single parent को you can underline because it is the key word in the asexual reproduction. Just we know that what are the types of asexual reproduction. ठीक है, इसको ब्यूटीफुली कोई ब्लॉक डायग्राम या फिर हम इसको लाइन डायग्राम से भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो जस्ट ड्रॉ दिस वन ब्लॉक डायग्राम जिसे बोलते हैं. सो राइट हियर asexual reproduction, or you can write types of asexual reproduction. So the first one we know that it is the fission, and make a block here. Example is amoeba. Okay, the next important is that which one? It is budding. Example is hydra. Make a block again here. Then your fragmentation, right here, fragmentation. Okay, draw a diagram block. not diagram, block. And example is Spirogyra. Okay, one more. Which one? It is regeneration. Regeneration, make a block again here. And the example is planaria. Okay, and spore formation is also there. So here you can make a spore formation block. Spore formation. Okay, make a block here. And the example is Rhizopus, that is bread mold. And one more is this there, that is vegetative propagation. Make a block here. Okay, and the example is Bryophyllum. Okay, so this is what the representation of your answer with the help of the block diagram. ठीक है, इस टाइप से रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया तो इसमें ही एग्जामिनर खुश हो जाएगा. फिर उसके बाद है आपका द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज दैट व्हाट एक्सप्लेन द प्रोसेसेस इन अमीबा. तो अमीबा में राइट asexual reproduction in amoeba. Don't write the full sentence. Make an arrow here. Write by binary fission. Just underline this. And now draw the diagram of binary fission. Okay. That you know. जल्दी से थोड़ा सा रफ भी डायग्राम बनेगा तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन डायग्राम हमेशा लेबल्ड होना चाहिए. सो दिस इज व्हाट योर pseudopodia. This is the cytoplasm. This is your nucleus. This is the A part, that is the parent cell, we can say. After this, what will happen? Again, make the amoeba of irregular shape. Make a nucleus. Sorry, here the nucleus is elongating. So make a elongating nucleus. Right there, B part, nucleus, elongate. In the third, nucleus divides into two. So C part, make a cytoplasm also. Okay, C part, nucleus divides, then cytoplasm divides, okay, and then here divides into two daughter cells. This is the new, we can say, two new amoeba, and the caption is daughter cell. And here you can write figure asexual reproduction in amoeba. और इंस्टेड यू कैन राइट, इंस्टेड आई एम सेइंग, अगर इतना लंबा नहीं लिखना है क्योंकि बार बार हम लिख चुके हैं, जस्ट राइट बाइनरी fission. Okay, so this is your, we can say, the 3 marks question, and definitely you will fetch the 3 marks in this question. देखो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. ठीक है, so I think समझ में आ गया होगा, and in the next lecture I will tell you how to frame 5 marks question answer in biology. Till then, bye, have a nice day.